Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn JMeter interface and main component. First is the test plan. When you open JMeter, the first thing you see is the test plan. This is the main container. Everything you add for your test will be inside the test plan. Next is a thread group. This control how many virtual users will run the test, how fast they start and how many times they repeat. Next is a samplers. Samplers tells JMeter what action to perform, like HTTP request, API request, file transfer protocol request, and more. If you want to JMeter to hit a website, you use a HTTP request sampler. Then next is a listener. Listeners show your test result, such as a summary report, view result tree, or a aggregate report. This helps you understand performance and error. Next is a config elements. Config elements store default values or test data. Example, HTTP request default or a CSV data set config. Next is a timer. Timers add delay between requests, making test more realistic. Next is a assertion. Assertion check if the response is correct or not. That's it. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.